Ada, after 6 months, I'm finally coming to Lagos. This surprise is going to make you so happy. You really bought this ticket without telling Ada? I want to surprise her. I want to surprise her. She's been counting the days.
The first thing you are going to do is to head over to ChatGPT on your phone. Make sure you download ChatGPT on your phone. Now, after you download ChatGPT on your phone, let me open new tab. So if you open ChatGPT on your phone, this is what you are going to do. Just paste in your master prompt. The master prompt I sent to you, paste it here. You can see, just paste it here. Now, if you paste it here, you are going to see where it says my story idea. So you clean this like this. You just clean this like this one like this. You clean everything that is here. After you clean everything that is here, now this is where you are supposed to write your story idea. So, for example, let me just put in a small story. Let me say a man that traveled to Lagos just to see his girlfriend and later was heartbroken because his girlfriend left him for a rich man. So let's assume this is the story I want to use. This is the story I want to use. This is just a short story. Then I'll click on generate here. Now, when you click on generate, ChatGPT is going to, as you can see, this story is too large to fit in a single prompt. So it's going to write you the character Bible, as you can see, character Bible, as you can see, Tunde here. Then this is Tunde, and you come down, you are going to see the second character, Ada. After seeing Ada, the next character is Mr. Richard. This is Chinedu. So this is the location. So the first thing you are going to do, just come down to the first one that says Tunde. Well, start from character Bible here. Character Bible, as you can see where I'm pointing here, character Bible. Then you copy, you come down to where it says lock reference image. Lock reference image. You just copy it like this. After you copy it, you click on copy like this. After you copy it, the next thing you are going to do is to head over to Flow AI. I told you to download Flow AI on your phone. Just go to where you are downloading application on your phone. If you can download Flow AI, let me look for Flow AI here. Okay. Wait. So go and download the app. It is called Flow AI. So I've shown you how you can download the app before. So after you download the app, let me log into my account. I think I have credit on this account. Let me check. Yes, I have credit on this account. Now, the next thing you are going to do is just to click on new project here. New project, as you can see, new here. You tap on this new. Now, when you tap on it, it's going to open like this. Now, the next thing you are going to do is to paste that prompt you just copy. You paste the prompt here. And after you paste the prompt, you click on generate here. You don't need to do anything. Just click on generate. And it's going to start generating image of Tunde. So just allow it to generate this image. And after you generate this image, you are going to go back to ChatGPT again. Now, this image has been generated, as you can see. You go back to ChatGPT again. Now, coming down to ChatGPT, you come down to Ada. This is the scene 2 here. Ada, you copy this one also, where it says lock reference image. That is where you're supposed to copy. So you just copy it to this place like this. You click on copied. After you click on copy, you go back to Flow AI again. You paste it here. After you paste it, you click on generate. And after you click on generate, it's going to also generate the image of Ada. It's generating the image of Ada right now. So let's allow it to complete. Now, after generating, this is the image of Ada. This is how Ada will look like. Her hairstyle, everything. Then you go back to the ChatGPT again. You come back to Richard. Richard here. You come back to Richard. Then you copy for Richard also. You copy the for Richard. You click on copy. After you copy, you go back to ChatGPT again, Flow AI, and you paste it here. After pasting it, you click on generate. Now it's generating for Richard also. So this is Tunde, this is Ada, this is Richard. So let's go back to ChatGPT again. Let's copy the next one so that it will be very fast. Then Chinedu, you come down to Chinedu also. you copy for Chinedu. After you copy for Chinedu, you go back to Flow AI again and you paste Chinedu on here and you click on generate. So you are generating Chinedu now. So we have 4 characters in our story. So these 4 characters we have in our story, that is what we are going to use. So let's allow them to generate now. It has generated for Chinedu. So it remain the third person. Remain the third person. So let's wait for it. Maybe it's network. Let's refresh. Let me refresh. It's still generating the image. But let's go back to ChatGPT to generate the image. Now, coming down to ChatGPT, all you need to do is just to come to location Bible. You come to location Bible, just scroll down. You are going to see episode planning. As you can see, the journey is the episode 1, episode 2, episode 3, episode 4. So just come down here and you start from episode 1, where you say journey, the journey of love. So all you need to do, just click on this image prompt here, image prompt, and you can see it say in character present is only Tunde that is present here. So make sure you pay attention very well in this character present here. Character present is only Tunde. So you just copy this like this image prompt for Tunde like this. Now when you copy the image prompt, you go back to Flow AI. Now when you come down to Flow AI, just click on this plus icon and you click on library. As you can see library here, then you add image of Tunde. This is image of Tunde, and you paste the prompt you just copy right now. After pasting the prompt, you click on generate. Now it's going to generate image of Tunde for scene 1 that you are going to use. All these images we first generated are just the image for the crew members we need in our movie, in our story. So now this is Tunde, as you can see. Tunde here. Now you come down to ChatGPT again. Now coming down to ChatGPT, you are going to copy Tunde, as you can see, image to video prompt. You copied it like this. You copy it till you reach this emotion side. After you reach here, you just click on copy. After you click on copy, just go back to Flow AI. Now tap on this your image, this image you generate. Just tap on it, and after you tap on it, you click on this animate here and you paste your prompt. The prompt you just copy right now. You paste it, and after you paste it, make sure you click on this animate and you put it in 10 seconds. And after you put it in 10 seconds, you click on generate. And when you click on generate, it's going to start turning the image of Tunde to video. So as you can see, it's turning the image of Tunde now to video. So allow it to load so that you are going to see the video. So still waiting for it. Now finally the video has generated. Let's play the video. This is the video here. Let me play the video. Let's wait for it. Sometimes it takes time because of network. So just allow it to load.
Ada, after 6 months, I'm finally coming to Lagos. This surprise is going to make you so happy.
So this is it. So this one has generated. You can click on this 3 dot up here and you click on download. Just click on download here and the video is going to download. This video is going to be so fast because I've shown you how you are going to do it before. Now just click on minimize again and you go back to ChatGPT. Now coming down to ChatGPT, you're coming down to scene 2. As you can see, scene 2, character present. As you can see, when I say character present, that is Tunde and Chinedu. So you just copy image prompt like this. This image prompt only, you copy it. And after you copy it, then the next thing, you go back to Flow AI. Now, you click on this plus icon here, you click on library, and you upload image of Tunde and image of Chinedu. Chinedu, I think Chinedu is the second person. Is this person here? No, Chinedu is this person here. So Chinedu here. Then you upload the prompt. The prompt you just copy, you paste it here, and you click on generate. Now, after you click on generate, it's going to generate image of Tunde and Chinedu together. So let's wait for it to load. Now it has generated the image, as you can see. After generating the image, you go back to ChatGPT again. Now coming down to ChatGPT, this time you are going to copy image to video prompt. Now copy it like this, copy it like this, and after you copy it, then the next thing you go back to Flow AI, you tap on the image again, you click on animate, and you are going to paste your prompt here. The prompt you just copy, you paste it here. Now after you paste it, make sure you check your dialogue. Now your dialogue, Chinedu will say you really uh, bought this ticket without telling Ada. Chinedu and Tunde will say, I want to surprise her. So you remove this comma here. I told you to always remove comma. So after that, the next thing you click on animate and you put it on 10 seconds and you click on generate. Now when you click on generate, it's going to start turning this image here to video also. Now after I turn the image to video, I'm going to show you the next thing you are going to do. It's going to tell you low credit, but don't panic. Let's wait for it to complete. Let's just go back to the ChatGPT and copy the next one because I want to be doing something again. Now, coming down to scene 3, you are going to see where I say image prompt. It's still Tunde and what is it called? Chinedu again. Tunde and Chinedu. So I don't want, if you have two characters like this again, Tunde and Chinedu, all you just need to do, just come to image prompt, you copy like this, you copied, and after you copied image to video prompt, you come back to Flow AI. Now it is still generating this one. So it has generated. Let's play it.
You really bought this ticket without telling Ada? I want to surprise her. She's been counting the days. You really bought this ticket.
So this is it. It has generated this one. Now the third one, to generate the third one, so far we have the same prompt here, as you can see. This one here, this in 3, we have the same prompt here, the same characters. We don't need to generate that image. So just come down to this image, you tap on it, just tap on it like this. When you tap on it, you click on animate, and you are going to paste your image to video prompt for scene 3. After that, you click on animate and you put it in 10 seconds. Make sure you check your dialogue. If there's any comma on your dialogue, middle of your dialogue, make sure you remove it. And after that, you click on generate. Now, when you click on generate, it's going to generate the third video for you. So let me download this second one.
You really bought this ticket without telling Ada?
We're downloading this second one right now. So after we download it, we are going to also download the third one also. So let's wait for this one is also generating. This third one is generating. And after it generates, we download all the video. Just tap on it and you download it. And after you download it, the next thing is to head over to CapCut, where you are going to add all your scenes together. But make sure you generate all your videos before you add them together. Anywhere you want to generate two scenes, all you just need to do, just add their images together and you paste the image prompt. You generate the image, you touch the image, you click on animate and you turn it to video. Now this has also turned to video. As you can see, it has also turned to video. So you can see.
Don't forget us when you marry her. You'll be my best man.
So this is it. Here, this one does not generate well because of the prompt. So you can regenerate it again. So you just regenerate it again. Sometimes if you generate it, did not generate well, you have to regenerate it again. Now this one now like this. We click on download. I have not downloaded this one before. We click on download so that it's going to download. And after it download, now it has download. Let's assume this is the right one we want to do. We just click on it also, and we click on download here to download it to our phone. So let's wait for it. Now this one has also downloaded, and after it download, just head over to your CapCut, go to CapCut on your phone, just download CapCut on your phone, you click on CapCut. After you click on CapCut, you click on new video, then new video, those videos you download right now, you can see them here. This is the first one, you just click on this plus, you click on the second one again, you click on the third one, and you click on add. So all the video scenes you generate are going to be added here. So you just play it like this.
Ada, after 6 months, I'm finally coming to Lagos. This surprise is going to make you so happy. You really bought this ticket without telling Ada? I want to surprise her. I want to surprise her. She's been counting the days.
So after you add
Don't forget
everything
us when
together, you just touch the first video here, the first one here, this first one, you just touch it, and after you touch it, you will look down here, this below, here, all these things below, you just keep shift it side like this, you shift it side with your finger. After you shift it side, you are going to see where you say adjust. You click on just adjust, and after you click on adjust, you are going to say saturation here, this one. You touch it, you increase it small, you increase this small so that your video is going to have colored. You click on sharp and you increase sharp to 60 or 65, anyone. You increase, touch this HSL, you touch it, you bring this blue icon, you touch it, this one also you touch it. This is where you can upgrade your video, do some editing. After that, you click on this mark. After mark, you click on highlight. Make sure you increase highlight on your video, and after that, you click on select all below here. After that, you click on mark up here. As you can see this mark, you click on it, and after all that things is done, you go to up here, you're going to see where you say AIUHD. You tap on it and you bring it to 1080p, and after you put it on this 1080p, you off this one, you off it. After you off it, you click on export and your video is going to export. After adding all these things together, make sure you come to ChatGPT here, you generate everything scene by scene, everything scene by scene. After you generate and you say it end, just tap continue here like this, continue, and ChatGPT will continue writing everything for you. So even though you want 1 hour video, this is how you are going to do it. You do it clip by clip, and you add everything together on CapCut. After adding, then you now edit it and you now export your video, and your video is going to look very nice.